rolling. 5, 4.
This is Lesson 7, Section 1, the second video. And again, I'm going to show you how to plot a shadow. This time, the light source is in front of an object. And the object that I'm going to be drawing is this tall rectilinear box. I've already set up the horizon line and vanishing point. And on the last drawing, I said, going to the vanishing point, what we had to think about was the source of light and direction of the light. Well, when the light source is in front of an object, I can't really draw the source of light on this piece of paper. It's kind of up in the air someplace because the shadow is going to be behind the object. I also can't draw the direction of light very conveniently on paper. So what I have to do is think about the convergence of the source of light and the convergence of the direction of light. Again, the convergence of the direction of light, and I'll call that the DLC, direction of light convergence, is going to be on the horizon line. I've got my horizon line drawn here and the left and right vanishing point. And last time I said the source of light, if the source of light is behind the object, the source of light would be above the horizon line. It's like sun up in the sky. Well, in this case, we're doing the source of light in front of the object, so the source of light convergence is actually going to wind up below the horizon line. Now, this is a little more complicated and takes a little more thinking. But I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to take the direction of light and I'm going to now converge that direction of light toward the vanishing point, but not the vanishing point, left or right vanishing point. It becomes the vanishing point or the direction of light convergence. Direction of light convergence is a vanishing point. I will also take the DLC, the convergence of the direction of light, through the back corner of my object. And I will run it from this edge right here. And now the source of light is going to be projected through those same points, converging again the source of light convergence below the horizon line. So this line that I projected to the DLC was in the lower corner of my object. The SLC is going to be projected through the top corner of that same line, and right here is the intersection. The light projected from the rear corner, and I can see that lightly if I would draw my perspective lines, ghost them in for the depth of the object. That rear corner right here, and I will project that to the SLC, and it will intersect here. And then this back corner will intersect here. Again, if I connect these intersections, I have defined a shadow. And once again, you can kind of see that if this was a complex object, how much projection that I would actually have to do to create a shadow just wouldn't make any sense. There's nobody in the world that's going to pay you enough money to plot these kind of shadows. So when you're estimating shadows, and I've got principles that you want to think about when you're estimating shadows, and these are listed in the book toward the end of this lesson. But using those principles and thinking about direction of light or direction of light convergence, source of light convergence, you can fake or estimate shadows pretty easily. They won't, again, be accurate, but they will be believable, and believability is what's most important in our drawings.